your girl Daisy, Flower Squad. Welcome, my beautiful flowers. I am doing something different today. Hopefully, you guys will like this look. And I have some good food here. I went to Panda Express to get me some food. And if you don't like loud smacking, loud noises, burping, this is not the channel for you. But today, the food that I do have is some vegetable fried rice, some orange chicken. Yummy. Yum, yum. I know you want some. And I also have crab ragoon, egg rolls, and of course a fortune cookie it comes with. My fork, and also it came with extra rice. So I am ready to dig in. And if you're just not coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So I am also, I have sauces here. It came with teriyaki sauce, sweet and sour, and you know I gotta always have my sauce. Also, let me say my grace. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Thank you for the nourishment in my body's sake. Amen, amen. Yummy. Sweet and sour sauce. See how that tastes. Look at that. That's good. Hopefully you guys are having a great Saturday. This fried rice is so good and fresh. Sweet and sour sauce is so good. Yes, you guys. So I know you guys are having a great Saturday night. So hopefully you'll get to see this video. This is so good. And I'm gonna try the egg roll. It's the stuff to the paper. So I am going to try the chicken egg roll. And I love to try it with my sweet and sour sauce. Look at that. Take a bite. Yummy. So good. I'll also get to my crab ragoon. This orange chicken is so good. That's good right there. Like, I like teriyaki sauce, but I'm more of a sweet and sour type of person. I have no complaints with Panda Express. Everything is so delicious. And that was the crab ragoon. But I just love what they put inside of it. It's so delicious. It's yummy. Rice. And thank you guys for all the support and love that you show me. I really do appreciate it. And I love you guys so, 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 so much. It's so good. It was super busy in Panda Express. It was busy out inside. There were like a freaking line all the way to the door. It was so freaking busy in the drive-thru. I'm even surprised they took my order. And the prices are fair. Pretty decent. So good. I had fun last night, you guys. Had like a family get together. It was so dope. So I'm gonna show the teriyaki sauce some love. I'm gonna dip it in my orange chicken and the teriyaki sauce. Okay. Okay, Panda Express. Sauce not that bad. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, I'm sorry. And today I have I wanted to try sparkling water. The blood orange flavor, that's what it's called. Sparkling water. That is so good. And this is vegetable fried rice, no meat, with egg in it. That's really good. Ooh, ooh. I love their orange chicken. It's so delicious. Egg roll. It's pretty fair. It's good. And they give you like with the crab rangoon, you get about really only like 4. That's not bad though. It's like $1.95, I think. $2. Inside of it. It's so good. It really is. I've been wanting this. And if you're just not coming to my channel, I would love for you to be part of the family. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can always know when I do come on. It's so good. Oh, this weekend, it went by so fast. Tomorrow's Sunday. And then the week began. This is really good. Teriyaki sauce. No. That's good right there. I really don't eat boneless like chicken, but with Panda Express, I will. Thumbs up. Crab rangoon. Teriyaki sauce. That's good right there. I'm gonna be so full. Oh yeah. And I got double orange chicken Extra rice. No, so good. Oh, oh yes, you guys. You gotta try the sparkling water, the blood orange. I don't know if there's a Kroger in your area, but they have different flavors. Oh, that was good right there. And if you're just now coming to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I would love for you to be a beautiful flower. And until next time, I love you guys. Mwah.